For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. There's a problem with your download in EA. First, right-click on the EA app icon on your desktop and select Open File Location to access its files. Locate the EA Launcher app, right-click on it, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. Clear cache file by running the Run dialog. Type this in and press Enter. Delete the EA associated folders: EA Connect Microsoft, EA Desktop, EA Launch Helper, and Electronic Arts. Ensure the EA app is fully closed from the system tray. Restart your PC and relaunch the EA app to attempt the download again. If the issue persists, it may be due to EA server problems. Patiently wait for a while before trying again. If the problem persists after that, there may be corrupted files within the app. In this case, uninstall the EA app and reinstall it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.